everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have an unboxing for you. So this is actually an unboxing from a site called Make a Pretty Life, which is Fancy Pants' owner's website. If that's a little bit confusing, I'm sorry, but essentially it's a Fancy Pants grab box. They are celebrating their 14th year anniversary, so they're getting rid of some older supplies so they can make room for new stuff coming up. So I ordered one of the boxes. Here's a little mint that was in there, so it says Make a Pretty Life. So I haven't eaten that yet, but that was in there. So they were celebrating their 14th anniversary, so they were getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I ordered a grab box. It was $40 with free shipping for US customers, so $40 flat for all of this. It didn't say exactly what would be in there. It did say, I think, how many 12 by 12 papers would be in there, and then the possibility of other stuff that could be in there. This is supposed to equal over $100 worth of stuff, so well over 50% off savings according to the value of each of these products. So I have dumped it all out here. I've looked at everything just to make sure it was okay because the box did get wet. I did not look at all the 12 by 12 papers though, so there could be some surprises in there. But I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. I love Fancy Pants designs, but as you guys know, I actually don't buy a lot online. I tend to buy stuff in person, and it's hard to find some of these brands in person compared to, you know, online. So starting off, there's this Wish Season by Kim Watson button mix. So this is a Christmas button mix from that collection. And I think I have one other thing from this collection in my stash. But these are just some great buttons, so that'll be good for my December projects. Another Christmas item are these Merry and Bright tags. So let's see if we can do a close-up here. As you can see, these tags have a bunch of Christmas emblems, so like poinsettias, Christmas trees, wreaths. This says Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Season's Greetings. And then some plain tags too, which is really nice. And I always love these shaped tags. I think those are really, really fun. And then we have a 6x6 paper pad here. It says Take Note. And again, some of these are a lot older collections, so if I see one that's relatively old, I'll tell you. So far, they've all been pretty new. This paper pad's from 2017. So let me cut it open. I don't think I've ever heard of this collection. It looks like sort of an office collection, but I'm not 100% sure. But we shall see. Again, some of this stuff I've looked at and some of it I really haven't. Okay, so we'll do a quick flip through. Nice pink florals. This is definitely a color scheme that I can work with. Nothing too fancy. There's no outrageous papers in here. They're pretty much basic patterns, plus a couple like the composition notebook cover, the alphabet, the calendar. They're sort of kind of themed to be sort of school-like, but that's one item. We got a couple more Christmassy items. These are from the Merry and Bright collection as well, and these are rub-on phrases and a rub-on title. So this one says Holiday Magic, and these ones say Merry Everything, Holiday Memories, Happy Holidays, Joyful, Joyful, and Peace on Earth. Which is great. I haven't seen any rub-ons from Fancy Pants, and this is from 2016. Here we have the Family & Co. tags and labels, and I love tags and labels, so that's perfect. You get some hexagons and some stars and a little house. So this is the Family & Co., so it's like this home collection, if you will. Let's see if you guys can see those. There we go. So that's what you get in that pack. Really fun. We have some wood veneer here. These are the Fancy Pants Goodfellow wood veneer. It doesn't show me what's in there, but I can see, I'm not sure what, oh, it says My Guy, Number One, mustaches, glasses, dad, more glasses. They're all in different sizes, but I think this was like a Father's Day collection, sort of a masculine collection at one point, but you can kind of see what's in there. We have another set of tags and labels. This is from Joy Parade by Kim Watson. And let's see if you guys can see these ones. These ones are very bright and colorful. Really like the style of these ones. There's frames, there's tags, there's just little labels to do journaling, which is perfect. And I don't have anything from a lot of these collections, so this will be fun to work with. This is a little bit of a throwback. I believe these are quite old. This is the As You Wish collection, and you get decorative bags, 3 large and 3 small. And I like using these for my hidden journaling. So putting a tag inside of there is what I normally do. Here you can see on the back the different colors and patterns. But again, there's not a year on this. I'm just not 100% sure what year they're from, but it looks like an older package design. Along with the Christmas theme, I got the Merry and Bright Ephemera pack, which is chock full, as you can see, of acetate and cardstock die cuts. Does it say how many are in here? Because this is kind of crazy how many are in here. Okay, I guess it doesn't. But here's a close-up because you're going to need to be able to see all of these up close. There are so many in there. There's labels and frames and numbers and trees and flowers and titles and banners and deer and little string lights, which is super cute. And again, acetate and cardstock, which I don't have a lot of acetate in my stash, so that'll be really fun to use in my December projects. Okay, let's hop over here. These are the Dream Big cork stickers, and this is a 2017 collection. They're just cork stickers with black printing on them. And the Dream Big collection had a lot of like goal themed stuff, so like I'm possible instead of impossible, live, laugh, love, this way, don't stop, hustle, and just a quick sheet of cork stickers. Then we have the Dream Big puffy sticker sentiments, so these are great for title pieces. It's quite big too, and they have some nice color to them. I'm not sure if the color is picking up very well, but there's some nice colors on the cute titles there. And I believe this is a 2017 collection. Let's hop back over here. This is the Summer Sun Alphabet and Numbers pack, and this is an older set as well, I believe. Maybe it's from this past summer, but essentially you get a whole alphabet with punctuations and numbers in different pattern cardstocks. Really cute. Here we have the Happy Place Flare set, which I also don't have a date on, but I love using flare, as you guys know. Let's see if we can get a close-up on these little pieces here. I love these bottom two a lot, and this floral is really cute. Love that color scheme. Then we have the Hello Sunshine silicone top paper clips, which are not something I'd usually use, but they are super duper cute. We have a really old Fancy Pants item, which is this About a Girl collection ribbon. So you have a flocked scallop, a rainbow, and then a polka dot. It's item number 201, so that's how you know it's an older collection. Which is really fun. Remember when ribbon was always packaged like this? That's a throwback. And I did get one thing that I already owned from Fancy Pants. So stay tuned till the end for a giveaway on this. But this is the Sweet Nothin' Tags and Labels set, which is their Valentine's Day themed set that they did a little while back, which is super cute. I've used it on a couple of projects already, but you get ones that spell love, and then you get a bunch of other tags and bits. And I believe these also come with the little ribbons to tie through the tags, which is really nice. So again, stay tuned till the end to see a giveaway. We have these Fancy Pants Designs designer notebooks. I'm not 100% sure if these aren't, I don't think these are traveler's notebook size, but they are a really cute size. And these are just Fancy Pants Designs. I know they do some office supplies and they do decorations, so I assume this is from those collections. So you get a rainbow one and then a floral one, which is super duper cute. I love using different notebooks for things. And then the Hello Sunshine 6x6 paper pad, which is from 2017. Let me cut this one open as well so we can see what's inside. I'm really excited to look at the 12x12 papers because you guys know I primarily work with 12x12 layouts, so I'm really excited to see what's in there. So this is another bright and fun collection. Got some simple patterns and then some crazy patterns, which this matches the notebook actually, if you guys saw. Let me grab it. I'm pretty sure these are from the same collection. It's the same pattern, which is super fun. We have some pinkish red, some beautiful geometric patterns, the rainbow, flamingos, cactuses, and popsicles, watercolor, a little text print. And then it repeats again. So there's that one. I don't know if I own any other 6x6 paper pads besides the ones I've shown you in this. So that's really fun. I got the Atwell, which is a 2015 collection, puffy stickers. Now I do wish I got more puffy stickers. I love their puffy stickers. I buy them at Tuesday morning whenever I see them. but this is the green puffy alphabet sticker. And I think this is a nice shade of green. It's definitely something that I can still use. Over here we have the Take Note collection bookmarks, which I didn't know were a thing. I'm going to take these out of the packaging so I can see what they're like. So I'm really interested in knowing. And if this is still available on their website, I'll have it linked down below. I'll have their website linked down below anyway, but I'll tell you guys if it's still available when I upload this. It says, if I can't sleep, I might as well read. Stories are important. And then this one's just alphabets. And then this one says, happiness is a good book. And these would make great gifts for the holiday time if you bought somebody a book and put one of these inside, which I think would be really cute. Lastly, for anything that's not paper, is the Joy Parade by Kim Watson. I think these are just chipboard alphabets, but maybe they're puffy stickers. It doesn't really tell me. I think I'm going to have to take it out. I can't tell if it's puffy stickers or chipboard. Let's see. It feels like puffy stickers. I think these are puffy stickers. Yep. So these are puffy sticker titles, which is super duper cool. So it says, beautiful, delight, great, laugh, amazing, enjoy together always, and that has a bunch of little flowers. And I really like how they didn't do a white background. They did this fun cork background instead, which is something a little bit different than they normally do. Now we should dive into the paper. I'm going to start off with the specialty papers that are outside of this pack. First off, they gave me a giant gold chevron foil, which that is gorgeous, if you ask me, like wow. I actually got 2 of those, which I didn't notice until just now. They also gave me a gold houndstooth. Oh, I guess these ones are from the Flutter collection, which is a 2014 line. This one's from a 2015 line, which it just says gold houndstooth, so I'm not sure what this is from, but it is gold, as you can kind of tell there. Very foiled. And then I got this older 2011 Child Things printed, Childish Things acetate piece. So I'll flip over this white side. So essentially it's a hillside with some clouds and a sun, which this is totally outside my comfort zone, but I think it'd be really great for the title page of an album. It's also hard for you guys to see because of the glare of it, but because in its sleeve still, because I don't want it to get dirty. That's pretty cool. It says coordinating paper on reverse side, but I think that's what they print at the bottom of all of their 12 by 12 paper sheets, so I don't think there really is one. Again, this is from 2011. Now we get to break into the big guns here. Move the plastic out of the way. First we have Fancy Pants Atwell. This is the Lush paper. Geometric, and then a like little slightly patterned neutral on the back. Then we have the Atwell Flight, which is beautiful. Love the feathers there. And this side's just a nice light blue. 2015 collection. This is also a 2015 collection. This is the Summer Sun collection. This one's called Flip Flops. Pretty easy name there. And then a bright orange back. This one's called Just Beachy with a red pinkish floral. This one's got little anchors on it, which is perfect for my cruising albums. And then a light blue. This one's a beautiful floral. How pretty is that? And these do have a slight texture to them. Not super textured, just a little bit. It's called Summer Floral with a beautiful stripe on the back. This one's called Sunshine with cute little rays of sunshine. And then a beautiful yellow stripe. Again, this is a 2015 collection. This one's called Whales, which would be perfect for any baby page. Super, super duper cute. And then a nice light gray stripe on the back. This one's called Ride On, and you got a little bike motif down here. And then the nice yellow. And now it looks like we're going into the Wish Season collection, which is from 2015. Little reindeers. This one's called Rudolph and Crew with a bright red back. This is the perfect Christmas red. I always have trouble finding the perfect Christmas red. This one says Wish Season all over it. It's called Season to Wish. And this one has a snow with some star accents on the back. Ooh, this one's a wood green with some snowflakes and some pink splatters. Those might be hard to see on camera, but this is called Snowed In. With a nice light blue diagonal stripe. This Wish Season's called Hopeful, which is a beautiful array of colors. And then this side's just got this geometric print with some little, it almost reminds me of a quilt, which is pretty. This one's a Whimsical Forest, which of course is beautiful. Oh, and this is really fun for any season, this triangle print on the back here. This one's called Poinsettia, which I'm not keeping track of how many papers I got, but there's a lot in here. And then this side's a baby pink, really, really pretty. This one's called Favorite Sweater, which has that Fair Isle pattern on it, which is super cute. And this side again is a gray and red stripe. This one's called Holiday Stripes, which has some gold like flaking on the background. It's not foiled or anything, but it looks like gold sparkles, along with this little bird down here. And it has a light blue background. This collection is called Making Waves from 2015. This has got a beautiful wave background with a yellow back side. This one's got little anchors, which again, perfect for cruising or travel albums. This one's called All Tied Up, with a fun diamond geometric pattern on the back in a light gray, which I'm not sure if that's picking up very well on camera. There, you can kind of see it. It's very hard to pick up that difference. This one's called Relaxing, with a nice polka dot of the color scheme, and then a flush red on the back. Another anchor one, which I don't get sick of anchors, as you guys know, is called Blazing. So you got this side with the anchors, and this side's the same geometric pattern except in orange, which you can kind of see the contrast a little bit better. And this one's called it's called Frisbee, which is a red stripe with a light blue polka dot on the back. This one will be really easy to use. And then this one's called Seafood, which is octopus, crabs, fish, life preservers, lighthouses, anchors, sailboats. There's a lot of stuff on here. And then a dark navy color on the back. And then this one's called Wakeboard, which is a fun stripe with an orange on the back. This one's called Beach Shorts, which is a yellow with another geometric pattern on the back in that deep navy blue color. So that was a ton of papers. I'd say at least 20, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't want to really count them because I don't want to waste anyone's time. But that is everything from the box, the grab box, the celebration box. I'll have it linked down below if it's still available on their website, which is Make a Pretty Life, because I don't want you guys to miss it if you wanted one. I did only hear about it through Instagram. It wasn't widely publicized, but I'm really, really excited with what I got from it. I think it's an immense value, and if they ever do one again, I would highly recommend it. You know that I do love grab boxes. I think they're really fun to get to know a company, especially if they're directly from a company. I think it's a really great way to know their products and know if you like them or not. But it is an upfront investment without knowing what you're going to get. Of course, there's things in here that not any scrapbooker might want, like these notebooks some scrapbookers might not want, or the bookmarks you think might be a waste. And of course, buttons are a throwback, but I don't mind those. But before I get now onto the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away a couple of the Fancy Pants items that I received in this box that I know will go to better use at other people's craft rooms, including the tags from the Sweet Nothing collection, the About a Girl ribbon set, and the Hello Sunshine silicone top paper clips, and maybe a couple other goodies from me. But in order to enter this giveaway, you have to be a subscriber to my channel and leave a comment down below with what was your favorite collection you saw in this and what you'd like to see me use next. So if you want to see me work with the Christmas items we saw or the summer collections that were in here, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to see what you guys liked the most out of here, which is always so fun for me to read your comments and talk to you guys about what was in here. And this is open internationally since this is a smaller prize. I'd gladly ship this to anywhere in the world. But once you subscribed and commented, then you're entered to win. This giveaway will be open for a week, so I'll have the final date to enter down below, as well as all the rules typed out in case you have any questions. Please leave them down below as well. And I will announce the winner after that. It'll probably just be in another video, and I'll also comment on that video so you guys can check it out in a couple different places. But get excited to win some beautiful goodies. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the grab box unboxings or if you like just hauls in general. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, be sure to subscribe and comment down below so you guys can be entered to win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!